Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss level in QGIS, how to select feature by value if you want to using query in QGIS. So selection field is very important for you. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe. Hit bell icon for new video. I help you, so you help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our data. We select it and we go to attribute table. Here is our attribute and we using query by attribute. So here is our ID and we use ID number and select all feature using query. So let's start. We close it and go to select by feature. You also select in keyboard F3. We click here and after it here is ID2 and name _1 ID2 name 2 and type. We using query in ID2. We go to our function and here is equal to. We select here equal to and we write here ID number. We write here 139. After write we go to select feature. You see here 139 ID number is selected. We unselect it and go to next query. Not equal. We click here not equal and after it we select feature. Here is our not equal feature selected. All feature selected. We unselect it. We go to next query. Greater than. We click here greater than and greater than means 139 greater than. We write here 148. Select here greater than and select feature. 148 greater than, all feature is selected. We unselect it and go to next query. Less than. We click here less than and we also write here 149 or query less than and we go to select feature. 149 less than feature is selected. All less feature is selected. We unselect it. Go to next query. Greater than or equal to. We select it. We write here 150 and after it we check greater than or equal to. After it we select feature. Our feature is selected. Greater than or equal to, all feature is selected. We unselect and go to query. Less than or equal to. We select it and we write here 151. After it we check it less than or equal to and select feature. Our less than and equal to, all feature is selected. Next query we unselect it and we select here between include. We click here and we write here 139 to 149 and select feature. Between feature 139 and 149 inclusive is selected. All feature we unselect it. We go to next query. Not between, we select it. Not between 139 and 149 inclusive. We select feature. Our feature is selected. And next we unselect it and go to next query. Is missing null value, means null value is selected. We click here. After it we select feature. Here is our null value. Null value is selected. And next query, not missing null value. We select it and select feature. All feature is selected and null value feature not selected. So our query select by feature is completed. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe and hit bell icon for new video. Thank you for watching video. How to save template and how to save edit feature and export your selected layer if you want to work in QGIS. So it is very important for saving edit feature, template and export data. So listen carefully this video to end, like, share and subscribe. Hit bell icon for new video. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our data. We save template. For save template we go to project and we go to save as, and we here is our path. We select particular path if you have, and we write here my template _1 and we save it. Our template is saved. If you want to open it, you double click. So your data has been opened, same as you save. And if you want to save edit, so first we create a feature, start editing. We select polygon and we create a sample polygon. For editing we right click and OK. Our feature is created. And for save we go to save icon. We click here. Our feature is saved. Edit feature is saved. If you want to export layer, you go to selection and we select it as per your choice. We select 5 feature and after selection we right click and go to export and save feature as, and we select here file name, means path. We write here name, selected feature, and save it. After it we tick here save only selected feature. After tick we OK. You see here our selected feature exported. You see only selected feature. Here is only selected feature layer is created, and here is all layer. Our process is complete successfully. Save template, save edit and export selected feature. So here is our map, and we right click, go to property and we select here label, and we select here single label. After it, if you want to normal display on text, you select here size only, you write here 20 as per your choice, and you select here font type and color, apply and OK. Your labeling is display. If you want to modify as per your requirement, so you go to property and select here formatting. You change formatting as per your requirement. Type cases, uppercase, lowercase, we select here uppercase. And spacing, if you want to space, you select here space. After it, if you want to enable text orientation, you select here text, horizontal, vertex and rotation, we select here orientation. After it, if you want to buffer, you select here buffer and tick draw label buffer, and you select here buffer size and buffer color, we select here buffer color, we change it, here is buffer color. And if you want to transparency of buffer color, you select here transparency. After it, if you want to background change, you select here and click draw label and shape, square shape, ellipse shape, circle shape, we select here square. And color as per your choice, select here color. After it, apply. If you want to use expression, we click here expression and we go to field and value. Here is name 1, we already write here name 1, and we use string concatenate, we click here. After it, we take new line, click new line, and after it we again use string concatenate and we take name 2, double click. So here we display name 1 and new line and name 2. OK and apply and OK. You see here first line and second line and buffer as per your requirement. So you change labeling as per your requirement. So it is very important for QGIS or labeling. So please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for new video and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. See how to rotate vector data and raster data. If you want to work in digitization and other project, so it is very important for capturing any feature. So listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our vector data and we rotate it. For rotate, we go to downside and see here rotation and we click to upper arrow and its rotation right to left and down arrow left to right. You rotate as per your requirement. If you want to direct rotate on your angle, so you write here angle, we write here 20 degree and enter. Our vector file is rotated 20 degree, and if you want to same position again, so you write here 0.0 and enter. Your position is same, and we rotate raster data, or raster, we go to raster and go to particular location. Here is our raster data, and we rotate it, rotate, or go to rotation, and same we click upper arrow and we rotate as per our requirement, left to right, right to left, and same as if you want to rotation other, you write here 50 degree, you write here 50 and enter. Your data is rotated 50 degree. If you want to same position, you write here 0.00 degree and enter. Our position is same, starting position. So our rotation process is complete, vector and raster. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. Simplify function in QGIS. If you want to modify and use to simplify function, so it is very important. So please listen carefully this video to end, and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Let's start. For simplify function, we go to editor. After editor, we go to edit geometry and we select here simplify feature. After selection, we click on polygon, and here is our simplify, and we modify as per requirement. Simplify by distance, here is distance, and OK. Our simplify is change. If you want to other modify, Ctrl Z and click again, and we select here simplify by snapping grid. Here is snapping grid. If you want to change tolerance, you modify tolerance as per your requirement. So we tolerance 2 and OK. Our feature is modify, and next we again click and we select here simplify by area. Here is area simplify, we click OK. Our modify is complete, and next we click again and we select here smooth. Here is smooth, all polygon is smooth, so we click OK. You see here our all polygon is smooth. Our simplify function process complete successfully. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you.